Hi guys, for today's video I wanted to share with you guys my top 10 Amazon must-haves. You guys really wanted to see this video and I love Amazon. I'm an Amazon Prime member, not sponsored at all, and I literally purchase something from Amazon Prime probably once a week. All of my DIY supplies on average I will end up getting on there because if my local craft stores don't have them in stock, I can get them really quickly, but I will have everything linked in the description box down below. And if you want to see a part 2 to this video, just let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and let's jump right into it. So starting off, this is probably my most recent purchase and you guys are probably like, what in the world is this? But this is for underneath your bathroom sink, or you could use this as storage in a pantry or even like different cupboards if you had enough space. But I live in an apartment and my bathroom is so small that I can't even stretch my arms out like this and fit into the whole bathroom. It's really tiny, and the under sink little cabinet that they chose does not have drawers, does not have shelves in it. So when I saw this, I didn't even know that these things existed. So you basically put this under there and it's your own storage, and these just slide out as little drawers. Perfect for storing your skincare and even your hairbrushes or anything. This would be great for if you had a ton of extra makeup, just so much stuff, and they're so sturdy, they're such great quality. Seriously, an organizational must-have. Moving on to something that I feel changed my life, because I was obsessed with candles prior to getting an oil diffuser, and now I don't even find myself lighting my candles anymore. These things are amazing. Everyone needs one. This one in particular is ceramic, so it's a little bit more heavy duty as opposed to the plastic ones that they have. If I can find this exact one on Amazon, I will link it for you, but I do know that this one is one of their best sellers, and anytime it comes in stock, it sells out, just because a lot of different companies have replicated this for about triple the price. This one I think was $30 to $40, and now you can find these at Nordstrom for $150 just because they're ceramic. This one is by the brand Spa Room. Seriously, just amazing. I think everyone needs an oil diffuser, as well as Amazon has a great selection of the oils on there that you can purchase as well, and they're super affordable. In the description box down below, I always link the camera equipment that I use for my videos, and all of it is from Amazon. I just find that it's a great place to purchase those items, and they do have a great warranty system on their own that you can purchase. So this is just my vlog camera that I did get on Amazon. Again, they also have great cases, tripods, memory cards, pretty much everything you would need for YouTube, all available at great prices. And Amazon has also a great return policy. So if you got something like this and something was ever wrong with it, you're not going to have a problem getting your money back. So that is one of my huge Amazon favorites, is just getting all of my camera equipment from there. Next up is this label maker. If you guys saw this DIY that I did where I added just minimal labels to things in my bathroom for organization, I did school supplies with this. This label maker is just amazing because I love this classic look of these very 90s-esque labels on here. You can put them on anything, and this little guy was under $10 when I purchased it. So I just love it. I add these to pretty much everything, and it's just a way to spice up your bathroom. You can take all those ugly eyesore containers and just put your stuff in here, as well as the little bottle that I put this on is also from Amazon. Next up is this mini steamer. This thing has changed my life. Prior to it, I had a steamer and there was really nothing wrong with it other than the fact that I live in a small apartment and the steamer was so large, it took up so much space. So I opted to get this one, and I was really skeptical. I was like, this thing is so small, how could it possibly work? This is the best invention ever. It's portable enough to even travel with it, but this does wonders for your clothes. To me, it works just as well as those larger steamers, and this definitely doesn't take up as much space. It's also under $30, so really affordable. Counting these as two separate things, but they kind of go together, I love getting my ball mason jars on Amazon just because my local Target is usually sold out, and I can't always find the ones that I want. These are a newer version, and they're the spiral jars. They just look kind of cool with this spiral detailing on them. So any size mason jars that you want for fresh juice that you're making or smoothies, I love these. And then I did pick up some stainless steel straws just because obviously these are so much better for the environment. But I love this pack from Amazon because it comes with 4 of these straight stainless steel straws. You get 4 bent, and not only that, you get 2 of the straw cleaners, and that is why I stopped using stainless steel straws a couple years back, because I lost my little cleaner. And to be completely honest, if you use these stainless steel straws and you do not clean them with one of these things, I highly suggest you pause this video and go put the straw up to the light and look in there, because stuff does get caught and it like gunks up over time. It's really disgusting. So highly would recommend getting this pack with the little cleaners in there, because you definitely want to clean these straws out properly with one of these little cleaners. Just putting like warm water and soap is not going to do the trick, trust me. A while back I did a kitchen organization video and I featured a ton of these clear containers, and they were a big hit in that video. You guys really love them, and I love these so much for organization. So this is just an example of one, but they come in different sizes. You can get them with the handles or without. They are meant to go in your refrigerator, so you know those perfect like refrigerators that you see on Pinterest. I'll put a little picture right here. They have these in them and you can get them on Amazon. They're so affordable, and I also like them to store things in my kitchen cabinets because I don't really have a pantry, so I have to makeshift one. And these are great just like putting like your power bars or different things, and it's so much easier to organize. And then when you're trying to pull them out of your kitchen cabinet, you can kind of pull this out and get what you need and then push it back in without creating so much of like a cluster of like disorganization. So highly would recommend checking these out, picking them up. I love the ones with handles, but they have them without. They have so many different ones to choose from on Amazon. They're amazing. The next thing is pretty random, but it's just this mesh wire fruit basket. I saw this on Pinterest and I was like, oh my gosh, where is that from? It's probably super, super expensive. And I was able to get this really affordably on Amazon. I will say there's a bunch of people selling them on Amazon, so I'm hoping I can still find a seller that's selling them affordably. At the time, there were like people who had these for like $14, and then there was someone that was trying to charge 80 bucks. So the pricing is definitely off, but it's just like a decorative piece that I think is so amazing, and all you do is use it as like a fruit basket. I guess you could use it to store other things if you really wanted to, but I just think on your counter this looks like so modern and I just love it. And last but certainly not least is my Soma water pitcher. This is a plant-based water pitcher. You put the water here in the top and it obviously filters the water. So I think this is great. It's definitely going to encourage you to drink more water. I am trying to stay away from drinking water that is in water bottles that aren't BPA free, because that is really bad for you. So I wanted to get one of these pitchers to have in my refrigerator, and these come in I think 6 cup or 10 cup. This is the larger one and this is the 10 cup, but they're great, and then you just replace the filter every few months. So those were all of my Amazon favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have the links to everything in the description box down below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!